Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a carburetor isolator on your string trimmer. If there's any tears or gouges on the old gasket, it'll need to be replaced. I'll align the gasket with the isolator, and then I'll insert the screws through the isolator and the gasket. This will hold the gasket in place. Now I'll align this assembly with the engine. And I'll tighten up the screws. Now I can reinstall the engine covers. Now I can reconnect the fuel lines and the throttle cable to the carburetor. Before I secure the carburetor to the engine, I'll inspect the old gasket. If the gasket is torn or ripped in any way, you'll want to go ahead and replace it. In fact, it's not a bad idea to simply replace any gasket when you remove it. I'll insert the screws from the air filter base through the carburetor, through the gasket, and then align the screws with the isolator and secure this assembly. I'll reinstall the air filter and finish by installing the air filter cover. And that's how you can install a new carburetor isolator on your string trimmer.